Hello everyone, this is Fiza. I hope you all are good. So today I am going to do an experiment. The name of this experiment is rising water. So first of all, in this experiment we need one plate, one empty glass, one candle, one glass of colored water and matchbox. So first we have to pour the water in the plate. Then keep the empty glass on the candle and see